Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. Your Samsung S25 Ultra is packed with powerful features, but if you're not using these settings, you're honestly missing out. Today I'm showing you 5 quick tips that will instantly make your phone faster, smarter, and just way more enjoyable to use. So let's dive in. So tip number 1 is you need to stop spam call settings. So this will basically block scam and robocalls automatically. It'll keep your call history clean and stress-free, and it'll basically save you time and frustration every day. So let's get rid of spam calls. So to do this, you want to first go ahead and open up your call app. Next, tap on the 3 dots at the top right, then tap on settings. Now you want to go ahead and find caller ID and spam protection. Go ahead and turn this on, tap on it, and here make sure block spam and scam calls are turned on. Go ahead and select this option where it says block all spam and scam calls. Your phone will automatically filter them out and your sanity will thank you. Now, tip number 2 is to add your fingerprints again. So as you know, sometimes when you're unlocking, the fingerprint doesn't match. So I would highly recommend you add your fingerprint again. So the benefit is that you have faster unlocking with better accuracy. It reduces the error from worn out or poorly scanned prints, and it makes security feel seamless, not frustrating. So let me show you how to do this. Go ahead and bring down the notification bar or quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down and find lock screen and AOD. Now tap on screen lock and biometrics, enter in your PIN number, tap on fingerprints, and then go ahead and add another fingerprint to it. So if unlocking feels a little slow or inconsistent, if you re-add your fingerprints, fresh prints can give you faster and smoother unlocks, and trust me, you'll notice a difference immediately. Now, the third feature is where you need to change your voice audio to voice focus. So the benefit for this is that it makes your voice crystal clear on calls, even in noisy places. So it reduces background sound, so you sound professional and sharp, and is essential for remote workers, travelers, or city life. So here I'll go ahead and simulate a call. Now to change voice audio to voice focus, go ahead and bring down the notification bar. From here, find your voice focus mic mode, tap on this, and make sure to change this from standard to voice focus. And once that's done, press home, go back to your call. And now with this feature, it isolates your voice and cuts out background noise. So even in a loud cafe, you'll sound like you're calling from a quiet studio. Tip number 4 is to brighten up screen for face recognition. So the benefit of this is that it makes your face unlock work faster, especially in low light. It reduces frustrating failed attempts, and it keeps your phone secure but effortlessly to access. So let me show you how to do this. So you want to go ahead and open up settings, scroll down until you see lock screen and AOD. From here, find screen lock and biometrics. Go ahead and enter in your PIN number. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find face recognition. And here, go ahead and find this setting here, brighten screen. So this will increase the screen brightness temporarily so your face can be recognized in dark. Make sure to switch this on. So this quick change makes face unlocking way faster when you're in a dim environment, so no more fumbling with your password in the dark. And lastly, tip number 5 is that you need to enable dark mode for your S25 Ultra. So the benefit is that it saves battery on OLED screens by turning pixels off for true black. It reduces eye strain, and especially at night, it makes the UI look more cleaner and sleeker. So to do this, you want to go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings, scroll down, and where it says display, tap on that, and then find the dark mode settings. So finally, when you turn on dark mode, not only does it look awesome, but it also saves battery on the OLED display like the one on your S25 Ultra. So you have more style, more battery, and it's a win-win situation. And that's it. 5 small tweaks that will make a huge difference in how you use your Samsung S25 Ultra every day. Which tip are you turning on first? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you found even one of these tips helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on making your tech work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.